everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Dakota, and on this channel we have fun with learning and creating art. Let's see what we're creating today. Alright, for our Valentine's or anniversary card, the materials we are using is Winsor Cotman watercolor set. Arches watercolor paper, it's a 9x12 and I cut it into 4s. 2 cups of water. I have a size 4 round Princeton Heritage brush, paper towel, a gold, maybe gold Posca marker pen. So this is going to be a fun, quick, easy painting or card, and we're just going to be drawing or painting hearts all around at different sizes, different colors, and touching them together so the colors bleed. And we're kind of just going to do that all over the page, and then I may use this to add words to it. We'll see at the end what it looks like. So to start, I'm going to get my paint ready. So I'm going to use Permanent Rose. I'm going to use Purple Lake. A little bit of Dioxazine Purple. And Cadmium Red Deep. Okay. So to start, I'm just going to, I'll do Permanent Rose, and I'm going right into the paint. This is going to be a good amount of paint on the brush. I'm just going to start painting heart. I want to make sure that it's decently wet, so that when I paint another heart, that it's going to bleed into it. Okay, and then I'm going to rinse off my brush. Got some water on it. And I'm just going to draw another heart, and I'm going to touch okay, just like that. Let's go in with some Dioxazine Purple. We want the bleed and mix of colors, so we want to make sure the hearts are touching. We're just going to do this all over the page with these 4 different colors. So the Cadmium Red Deep Hue, the Permanent Rose, Purple Lake, and Dioxazine Purple. And they're going to be different levels of, different amount of paint on the brush each time. Less, you just dip with water, get most of the paint off, and then you just make sure that you're touching the wet hearts. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this to dry completely. I'm not worrying about covering all the white, and I'm just, again, wanting everything to dry completely before I write over top of it. Okay, so it's all dry now. Okay, so I actually got a black Posca pen instead of the gold, and I'm just gonna write Happy Valentine's Day. You can write whatever you want. You can leave it just like this. You don't even have to write anything on it. It's completely up to you. Okay, just like that. And if you wanted, you can even go over it with gold or with white. I wonder what it would look like going over it with the gold. I'm gonna try it. We'll see if it messes it up or not. So I want to still see bits of the black. I don't want it to completely cover. I just want like a multi-layer effect. That's kind of cute. So there you go. You can even draw a heart around it, whatever you want. I like it like that, so I'm going to leave it like that. So there you have a super, super easy card. Doesn't even have to be Valentine's. You can do it anniversary, like I mentioned before. You can do it as a painting or picture. It doesn't even have to be a card. Just really easy. Anyone can do this. You can do different sizes of hearts, all one color, really whatever you choose to do, whatever you're feeling like in that moment. Okay? So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you give it a try. Thanks again for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.